What's up?
Yo, what's up, Joe?
What?
Joe, what are you inspired by? What is that? What is that look? What is going on?
So there's this meme, right? On I don't know if you open your keyboard on your phone and you look for GIFs, you'll find just look for hoodie or hoodie sunglasses, and you'll find this
Huh.
actress. I forget her name, but she's sitting at the Oscars and she's like this.
I've seen it. Yeah, it's just like.
I don't know. I got inspired.
Very
What are
nice.
you
I like
inspired
it.
by? What is this new space age astronaut get up?
Well, COVID calls for it, right? So I thought that instead of
Mm.
getting mask on their pehna hi hoga because I've been traveling a little bit. So then I thought when I'm traveling, instead of a mask and then glasses, bahar jab jayenge. So I ordered these for me, which is basically like tinted exactly like how shades would be, but it's a whole shield. So it gives me that extra protection. Then I don't need to wear two masks and things that how people travel with. So I'll have my one proper good mask. And then this is there because then when you're at the airport and stuff, there are enough people. And I kind of like it because it's like totally hiding me. It makes me feel like no one can really see me and I'm in my own zone in my own world.
This is the cooler version of a ski mask. This is so cool. You can literally rob a bank with this on. Not that you should.
Exactly. And if
I'm not
anybody says,
encouraging
I will
this.
just, yeah. And if anybody says anything, I'll just be like, I'm just being extra protective COVID wise. Like, what's your problem?
Listen, these are so funky and cool. I have never seen them before. Guys, I
Yeah,
think
fuck
everyone,
away.
everyone go now on Amazon and buy this funky stuff.
Yes, yes.
Yay.
And these people, Kenneth Cole can send me like some freebies in the process.
Oh, oh, brand name drop has happened. Very good. So I'll tag them.
But Joe,
So
No.
I see hello, keep them on. The point is
throughout,
yeah,
that
because
mic dur ho jayega na, because these are meant for like it's
Arey,
a
we
proper
can-
like COVID
we can-
shield type.
we can hear you clearly. I'm just saying because
Okay.
I felt like the vibe of this song is probably, it requires this get up. Because
What song is that?
it's a new one from Seedhe Maut. It's called Namcheen.
Then this
Yes.
makes full sense. Then this what we're doing, it's very, very Seedhe Maut type. It makes full sense.
I know we're just being extra and very lame, but I don't care. It's all good. Namastute kind of shuka world. So I thought, Namcheen looks like it has the potential to do the same, and I just want to be prepared for it. So
ऐसे मेरे expression दिख रहे हैं लेकिन can you see anything what I'm doing?
I can see. You want to take off? Should be.
Yes, because like it's also kind of uncomfortable and makes me feel like I'm traveling and now I need to be safe and like just be like not talk and everything. वो मुझे नहीं कर रहा.
Fine.
No, you should
fine.
keep wearing. Yes, you keep wearing.
I,
I don't
if,
have my regular.
I mean, if the song really like hits me, I'll probably put them on.
Yeah.
Mid-song.
If Joe in midway suddenly puts her glasses on, you know what she's feeling. She's
I
totally
can't
like
take it.
grooving.
The brilliance is too much for me. I'll have to put them on. So, produced by Calm, written and performed by Seedhe Maut, and let's just get into it. Mix and master Henry Watkins. Okay. Let me see if there's anything said about the song. Proud to present the latest single from Delhi, Seedhe Maut, titled Namchi. Notorious. The track sees the duo exchange rapid fire bars over a slow burning, menacing beat produced by Calm. Menacing. Da-da-da-da. I know. Okay, that's it about the song. Okay, let's do it. Come on.
Ready.
1, 2, 3, play.
बंदे नाम चीन सवा शेर गुजरात दिन जैसे तानसेन ढाया खैर मिले पहली बार पर पहले जानती है वो खैर बंदे क्रांति बंदे नाम चीन सवा शेर गुजरात दिन जैसे तानसेन ढाया खैर मिले पहली बार पर पहले जानती है वो खैर बंदे क्रांति बंदे नाम चीन
मेरे पहली बार जानती नाम वो हल्लों बेटा चौकड़ी मार के 2-3 जड़े जला मेरी बात पे ध्यान आके मेरे शो की बात थी बहुत भीड़ मैंने पहले बार मैं जानता नाम उसे लगा उसे बहुत पता फिर ओ प्लीज मुझे जानती नहीं जानती काम को बस मैं क्यों करूं वाइब का बंदोबस्त हमेशा दोस्त पी रहे जैकी हमेशा रोटी रहे बैग में क्या उसे पसंद मेरा बैंड या ड्रिप या हाइक का दिल या वो 6-0 बैंक में तब अलग ही सीन थे कैश के 4 साल रोहिणी से कहां से कहां आगे
अबे सिद्धांत रोज खत्म हो गया
फिर रोज मेरा बोर्डिंग पास का मगो चाहिए था 50 मैंने भेजा डेट मैं लेटा खुद के पेपर में करूं मैं बेक खुश था तो खाली करी पूरी ये जेब और पार्टी करी सारे साथी भंडो के गए हेरोजी का पड़ोसी मेरे तंगों के सोए कोई दोस्त लेकिन मैंने कभी मौके नहीं खोए किल से कैसे नहीं करी जो क्रांति जिनसे मेरे खाली लाभ से पौधी बॉय
बंदे नाम चीन सवा शेर गुजरात दिन जैसे तानसेन ढाया खैर मिले पहली बार मौका लगे इनके, नहीं पता रहता कौन सा दिन है, हर दिन जैसे वीकेंड मना रहे गाने फिर मारते चिल है, गाने बड़े बिल तो नहीं खाता गिल्ट है, हूँ मैं बहुत इल है ये मुझको इल्म है ये गान चाटने की करते एक्टिंग, तेरा भाई इनकी बनाता फिल्म है, दोनों भाई मिलके बनाएंगे मिलते, इस पर नोट रहे जेब में नहीं चढ़ते सिर पे, आकर रुपकार और आके फिर ले इन रैपरों के छिलके निकाल के छिल दे, आकर गेम ओवर हूँ मैं ओवर किल पे, पर काम बोला बस कर तो रोक दी मारपीट, लौंडों से घंटा नहीं लिखा जा रहा, फिर बोले हमें रैपर नहीं हम आर्टिस्ट, बेटा तू रैपर नहीं तो डर मत, तेरा भाई माइक्रोफोन पे नरभक्ष, जिनके खुद के जाता सरकट, उनको ही लगती कोयल करकश, सीधे मौत सब कर रहे हैं सरकट, तभी बदनाम भी सीन में काफी, लेकिन कभी नहीं मांगी इजाजत, तो मेरे घंटे से मांगे माफी, नाम बंदे नाम चीन सवा शेर गर्जर रात दिन जैसे तानसेन ढाया खैर, मिले पहली बार पर पहले जानती है वो हक खैर, बंदे क्रांति बंदे नाम चीन सवा शेर गर्जर रात दिन जैसे तानसेन ढाया खैर, मिले पहली बार पर पहले जानती है वो हक खैर, बंदे क्रांति बंदे नाम चीन.
Nice. Hells yeah. That ending.
Dude, too much was going on in this song. Like, you know,
Yes.
it's like nazar hati durghatna ghati वैसा वाला चीज. Like you can't look away because it's like too much was going on.
Yes, I like how they ended it with them on
Yeah.
stage and then the crowd and then the blood
They
falling
won
on the
it.
crowd.
Yeah. They
Nice.
won the big monster and everything. Dude,
Mutant Nubra. That was his name.
but and see the was running and like doing the whole thing. I love the whole video game concept. It is like, it is so basic, but yet it was done so well that the whole feel that, you know, they're going, oh, sabko marte ja rahe hain, and they're winning their stages and like they're going past and then in the end they win. It's such a simple concept executed so beautifully via a video. So first to that. I absolutely loved that. And uske andar bhi unki conversations bhi chal rahi thi, jaise video games mein normally hota hai na, like when you cross something or something, somebody challenges you, someone will say something, wo sab bhi chal raha tha. So I was also trying to like kind of read up and figure out ke video game ki kahani kya chal rahi hai, you know, and then what they were speaking wo to alag alag se chal raha tha. So what was your feel about the video game, and then we'll come to the music.
I just found it very funny that Encore was shirtless and Tom was not. Encore, did you see Encore's characters fully showing abs? And Kam is
I didn't even notice that.
fully shirted. I noticed it. I was like, why is this happening? I don't know. But no, I thought that was funny. But so the what do I say? The beat was
Music.
yeah, the beat really hits you like it had this very distinct drop right from I think the second line, and that kept repeating, and every time the beat drops and it just goes hard, it's a treat to listen to, it's a pleasure to listen to. So that happened.
Also very menacing, like how you earlier mentioned
Yeah.
that the beat, like, you know, it is because the way the flute was used, it
Yeah.
was very like, you know, something I was like, what? So it was very
It's-
nice.
Yeah, it started in this zone of, you know, like guerrilla warfare scene chalu hone wala hai, and there's ninjas who are sneaking up on people and about to
Yeah.
attack. Like it was fully in
Yeah.
that zone. So so I was like, this is ninja level awesomeness happening here. But I feel like their flow was very different from what we've heard before. Like
Extremely.
very different. So it wasn't easy to grab every word, especially in the first verse. And I was trying very hard. I know I missed a lot. And I'm gonna have to listen to it over and over with the lyrics in front of me. But the overall impact and the overall sort of what I took from it is that one, it's a fire video. It's great that they, and you know, it's obviously because a lot of the audiences, a lot of the hip hop audiences are gamers. A lot of the rappers
Yeah,
themselves are
yeah.
gamers, and so it just very seamlessly one world flows into the other and converges
Correct.
and merges into the other. And I mean, it's a next level video.
Yeah.
So that happened, and then I don't know who they were taking shots at. I don't know. I haven't heard of See Them or having beefs with anyone. Like that's not a zone I've been given the tea on. Or why are you
Feeling,
smiling?
yeah.
What do you know? What do you know something? that
No, I
know?
don't know anything, but I was just seeing that all the so-called monsters that were coming up. you know, जिनको वो बार-बार मार के, some of them resembled a couple of other rappers, or maybe it is just my mind playing tricks on me. So
Who?
I felt like, huh? So all these, जिनको वो बार-बार, like all these people who were kind of coming up to them, and see them out was like, both of them were running, right? And they were like kind of jumping through things and like hoops and everything. जो
Yeah.
लोग उनका रास्ता रोक रहे थे, a lot of those faces, it kind of looked like maybe it was some other rappers and certain people, and then they were like, and then,
Yeah,
like, you know,
they
they would
were.
rust off and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
So to me, like, I found that maybe some of them looked like some people. you know.
Yes, but do you
And-
know who they were? You can take names because we are just guessing.
We are guessing, right? No, but before that, lyrically also, what was going on? Like, you know how you were saying, I felt the same thing in the first verse as well, because there was so much happening that ekdam se na, I was like, wait a minute, lyrics honge ki nahi honge? Let me just look for my lyrical this thing so that I can switch it on, because their flow, you're so right, was so
Hmm.
different from what we're used to. I
Yeah.
wasn't expecting it. So because I wasn't expecting it, and the video was so strong, and the beat, the music, the flute, which was going on, it was too much for my senses ekdam se. So I
Hmm.
definitely want to listen to it maybe 2 times at least again, just to grasp what many elements that were being thrown at me. जो एकदम से सुनो ना पहली बार, तो सब कुछ आप absorb नहीं कर पाते हो. A couple of words that they were using in the middle and everything, those I really like, because I always love the kind of words they use. They're
Hmm.
so, the Hindi is so good, right?
So
That the kind
should.
of words that they use, yes, it hits home in the right way.
Hmm.
It actually
Yeah.
gives you the right emotion they're trying to express, because the correct word is used, rather than just trying to use a slang instead of the right word. You know, they use
Yeah.
the right words.
They use the
So
right
it hits
word.
home very beautifully.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I really like those. And
Those kind of right words and the Shuddh Hindi on beats like this are just we've never heard. So it's just
it's
just
killer.
a treat.
It's killer.
Such a
Yeah,
killer
yeah.
combination because it's like next level of artistry. But by the way, I've scrolled down just because I'm curious and I'm trying to see who they're taking shots at, because people comment now. People love
Yeah, yeah.
So it's saying somebody called Loka is the villain in this video game. So I don't know
Acha.
who. It's a rapper.
Huh, okay. वो
So
तो I
a
think the
lot
scope
of
also. Yeah.
why Loka is the villain in this, then something. Meanwhile, this one crying in a corner, something. So there's just one name. Can I just tell you one thing?
Yes.
I don't know if I should say
Yes.
this.
Say it.
Loka is I don't know who, like rappers keep their names, they pick something and they name themselves that, right? But Loka it actually means crazy woman. And it's a
In
guy.
Spanish.
Yeah. If you're a guy and you want to call yourself crazy, you would say I'm loco. For a guy it's loco. For a girl it's loca. So loca means crazy lady, crazy girl, crazy woman. I'm just saying. So it's kind of
Okay.
funny if this is a guy and he's named himself Loka. But anyways, everyone is saying over here that that poor Loka died after mutation. People love it. People love it when people take shots at other rappers and then the audience
Yeah.
is laughing away in the comments, enjoying. This is kind of like, I feel like, hip hop is right. They see hip hop right now in today's time is kind of what WWF was for me when I was growing up. I used to love watching the fights.
Before it became WWE.
Yes.
So crazy WWF wale zones hote the.
Yes.
हाँ, you're right. That
Stone
it totally
Cold
has
Steve
that.
Austin. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so all those times then, but yeah, I mean, people are enjoying the shots that are being taken, and lovely video, man. Let's see who did the video. That person should be given. Let's see.
But if you had to
Hey.
choose this or Namastute,
Ooh, I don't know. I feel like this one's flow was so unique and different, but then I love Namastute's beat.
I'm still with Namastute.
Yeah,
Because
I'm
maybe this
leaning
still has to grow
Namastute.
on me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe
Namastute
because, yeah,
just like from the word go it. Yeah.
it was another level. Maybe we've heard it too much also. It's been a while now. So maybe this one, as we listen to it a little bit, maybe this will grow. And maybe it's too early a question. But immediately, if I had to choose, I would still choose Namastute. Although this is a really close, like it's close, like catching up. I think I need to, listen to it a few more times to first make up.
Yeah. Hey, it's very weird. There's no video creds given here. That's very weird. But
इसका
oh
तो
well.
video credit होना चाहिए.
I know. Hona chahiye, right?
हाँ.
Oh, 1 second. I think I'm blind. Those sunglasses. Video and artwork, Anubhav Goswami. Anubhav Goswami. Oh, you froze.
Amazing, man. Like too much. I know. And then just when you said Anubhav Goswami, I came back. Ha.
I was waiting for you to say something. Okay, anyway, Anubhav Goswami.
Anubhav Goswami, man. Like
Damn.
wow. Well done. Very,
Mm.
very nice. Yeah.
Mm.
I'm sure if this is the kind of animated videos he makes from now on, if he's not already a really big name, I think he can very, very soon go into that league. Like this is like good stuff.
Mm. Hells yeah.
Yeah.
Loved it. Super, super teamwork. And on that note, our teamwork ends for now.
Aha.
We will, you know.
Yes. बस चलते हैं फिर
Yeah.
कोई रिक्वेस्ट हो तो जोजो के पास जाओ इंस्टाग्राम पे ऐसे प्यार से मोहब्बत से रिक्वेस्ट करो अपनी जो भी गाना आप सुनना चाहते हैं and we shall see you the next time.
We'll continue with the Bayan album. And we'll see you
Yes,
then.
we will.
Chalo. Live long and prosper.